most of our clients are less busy. It also help us, keep the areas, clean for when around like springtime, we have more traffic, more people are gonna be out. They're gonna start seeing the buildings more often. So this gives us enough time for us to prepare and give the carpet areas a more detailed clean, have the place looking more neat for when more people show up. And it is gonna prolong life, like carpet. It's gonna help us get rid of bacteria. It's gonna help us maintain the areas more clean, sanitize, more safety for the people working in the building, and also for our cleaning department, our cleaning team. This gives us enough time to also just knock those areas that we can't usually clean because of high traffic. More freedom to be able to clean all those areas because a lot of people just don't really show up to the building. So we try to use this time to actually do a more thorough cleaning of the carpet areas. We bonnet carpet areas, and sometimes depending on how the carpet, like the state of the carpet, like how it's looking, we also suggest more of a deep cleaning, extraction of the carpets, depending on how stained it is or the type of maintenance that it needs.